Haiti 2026, a people of faith, grandeur, resilience, and football. A journey through history and hope. Vertier is not background, it is architecture. It gives Haitian history its moral spine. And when Haiti enters a World Cup year through November 18th, the date carries more than coincidence. It carries a sense of appointment, a reminder that Haiti's football story sits inside a much larger national epic. Natural intelligence first. Before technology, before analytics, before artificial intelligence can organize footage, there is human judgment. A coach sees character. A parent sees sacrifice. A player sees space. A people see meaning. AI may help tell this story, but Haitians lived it. Haiti's only previous World Cup, 1974, had also been reached in a Vertier anniversary year. Now, 52 years later, Haiti qualified again on November 18th itself. Some will call it coincidence. Haitians may allow the mystery to remain larger than coincidence. History does not need superstition to become poetic. Perhaps FIFA would say, football brings people together. That is true at its best. Football can create dialogue, suspend hostility, gather nations, and produce shared human emotion. Sport can build bridges. A World Cup can place rivals in the same city, the same stadium. That argument is not empty. If a jersey can be too political, can an award stage be neutral? If a battle for freedom is too sensitive, can a prize to a sitting president be ordinary? If peace requires process, what process was shown? If memory requires silence, whose memory is being protected? NI plus AI is not a slogan for replacing people. It is a discipline for keeping tools in their proper place. AI can help organize, visualize, and accelerate. But it cannot inherit Haiti. It cannot feel Vertier. It cannot understand a grandmother's silence unless a human being teaches it what that silence means. AI may help generate drills, translate materials, or support media literacy. But educators and parents must decide what matters. Intelligence begins in the human person, the family, the community, and the culture. Haiti's place in the football world will be shaped by more than one generation. 2026 can become a turning point. It must be treated not as a miracle to admire, but as a mandate to organize. Faith must meet planning. Pride must meet infrastructure. Memory must meet work. Together, we continue the dialogue. We continue the dialogue through our 5 digital platforms dedicated to the vision of Scientia, Innovatio, Humanitas. Visit us at drvermeer.com and drvermeerbook.com to join the conversation. Knowledge and innovation in the service of humanity.